Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. It is great to have you here once again for a new DIY video. Today I will show you how to make an useful grinder or sanding pad for your drill or mini drill, using only recycled materials. This is what you need to make it. First of all, take the valve and remove the rubber of the air chamber around it. Use a pair of scissors and then some tool or file with the valve spinning locked in the drill. Then take the PVC plate and make a disc with a divider. Cut the disc, leaving some space to finish it better. Make a center hole and use the valve to lock it in the drill chuck. Then spin it in the drill and make it perfectly round. Now glue the piece of flip-flop on the PVC plate and let it cure overnight. Cut the excess of the flip-flop and again make it perfectly round, turning it with the drill. Start with some tool . And finish it with the sandpaper. We are getting close. Can you see it? Take the double-sided tape and cover all the flat side of the pad. Be sure that it is perfectly attached to the pad and cut the excess with scissors. The last step is to glue the sandpaper to the pad. And your grinding sanding attachment is ready to go. You can make big or small pad, use coarse or fine grit, and use them to grind or sand any material, wood, steel, stone, you name it. It is very handy and it is totally free. Check also my other DIY videos. I left the links in description. You can use this pad also to quickly rough sharpen knives and axes. That's all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, give a thumbs up, and as always, thank you for watching.